Welcome to Week 4's presentation on kidney health. This presentation reviews basic information on how your kidneys work and how to maintain their healthy functioning. About 26 million people in the United States have chronic kidney disease, or CKD. CKD can lead to end-stage kidney disease that requires dialysis or a kidney transplant. Your kidneys are two bean-shaped organs, each about the size of your fist. They are located in the middle of your back, just below your rib cage, on either side of your spine. Your kidneys continually clean your blood 24 hours a day. They filter waste products and fluid from your blood to form urine. Tubes called ureters carry the urine from your kidneys to the bladder, where it is discharged. Your kidneys only weigh about 0.5% of your total body weight. Although your kidneys are a small organ by weight, they receive a huge amount, nearly 20% of the blood pumped by your heart. The large blood supply to your kidneys enables them to do the following tasks. They regulate the composition of your blood. They keep the concentration of various ions and other important substances constant. They keep the volume of water in your blood constant. They remove waste from your body. They keep the acid-base concentration of your blood constant. They help to regulate your blood pressure. They stimulate the making of red blood cells and maintain the body's calcium level. Diabetes, which affects nearly 30 million Americans, is the #1 cause of chronic kidney disease in the United States. Diabetes is a disease that affects the body's ability to produce or use insulin. When the body turns the food eaten into energy, also called sugar or glucose, insulin is used to move this sugar into the cells. If someone's body produces little or no insulin, or if the body cannot use the insulin it produces, the sugar remains in the bloodstream instead of going into the cells. Over time, high levels of sugar in the bloodstream can damage tiny vessels throughout the body, including the filters of the kidneys. As more damage occurs to the kidneys, more fluid and waste remain in the bloodstream instead of being removed. This may lead to requiring the person to have their blood manually cleansed through a process called dialysis. High blood pressure can also damage blood vessels in the kidneys, reducing their ability to work properly. When the force of blood flow is high, blood vessels stretch so blood can flow more easily. Eventually, this stretching scars and weakens blood vessels throughout the body, including those in the kidneys. If the kidneys' blood vessels are damaged, they may stop removing waste and extra fluid from the blood. Extra fluid in the blood vessels may then raise blood pressure even more, creating a dangerous cycle. These 6 steps can help you control your blood pressure. Control your weight. Limit your intake of sodium and salt. Take medication as directed. Get plenty of exercise. Avoid excessive consumption of alcohol, and quit smoking. GFR is the glomerular filtration rate of your kidneys, which tells your doctor how much kidney function you have. Creatinine is a normal waste product of your muscles functioning and can be measured by a common blood test. Both of these are used by your doctor to check your kidney function. As your GFR rate decreases and your creatinine levels increase, you progress into the more severe stages of chronic kidney disease. Here are some common signs of chronic kidney disease: rising blood pressure, abnormal blood and urine test results, protein in the urine, fatigue or weakness, difficult and painful urination. Kidney disease often has no symptoms. It can go undetected until it is very advanced. If you have diabetes, make sure to be especially careful and test regularly. Nutrition is very important to kidney health. The most important foods to control are those containing sodium, potassium, phosphorus, and proteins. Sodium is a mineral that may raise blood pressure. It is found naturally in almost all foods. To reduce your sodium intake, limit salt. Food labels provide helpful information regarding the sodium content of foods. Processed soups, hot dogs, salami, and bacon are examples of food to avoid. Try using different food seasonings other than salt to avoid adding additional sodium to your diet. These include lemons and limes, spices, seafood seasoning, Italian seasoning, vinegars, and peppers. Potassium is a mineral that helps muscles and nerves work. Healthy kidneys get rid of excess potassium in the food that you eat. With chronic kidney disease, potassium may build up in your blood. If there is too much or too little potassium in your blood, your heart can beat irregularly. Foods that are very high in potassium include milk, potatoes, bananas, oranges, dried fruit, tomato products, nuts, and salt substitutes. Phosphorus is a mineral that binds with calcium in the body to keep our bones and teeth strong. Phosphorus is found in almost all foods, but is especially high in milk, cheese, dried beans, nuts, and dairy products. Some people with chronic kidney disease may need to limit their intake of high phosphorus foods. Proteins are what keeps your body tissue healthy and replaces old and damaged tissue. Each day protein must be included in your diet for you to remain healthy. The richest source of protein are meat, fish, poultry, eggs, dairy products, and soy products. Eating too much protein may be harmful. Be cautious with trendy diets. Here are some things you can do now to help keep your kidneys healthy and functioning well. Control your blood pressure. Control your blood sugar if you're diabetic. Maintain a healthy weight. Increase your physical activity. Eat a healthy diet, and quit smoking. Your kidneys control the quality of your blood and they are critical to your overall health. Start taking the steps now to protect them and to ensure your health in the future.